Hey guys, this is Krishna from Digital Contouring. Today we are going to learn one of the best Canva app you can say, and I'm completely in love with this application and how I used this app to get more incredible outputs just by using single app. I'll show you in this tutorial. I hope you guys are using Canva apps improve your design output. There are many applications that you can explore and use to enhance your design styles and design creatives by using applications. Personally, I use Canva applications to improve my design quality, design creatives. Hope you guys are also using Canva apps. Yesterday, after a long time, I was practicing on Canva and I was looking for apps and see what is new in the application section, and I found one app that is really cool. And so this app will help you to create really cool effects. You just need to understand few things before you use this app. As you can see, this is my Canva dashboard. I'm going to open few designs that I practiced. I'll show you what are the output and what are the creatives that I'm talking about, and then you will see the app that I'm talking about. Let me just open the designs that I practiced, and so here we go. This is the output that I'm talking about. Just one app that will help you to generate this type of designs. So you can see here, so this is the first design, the second one, third. By using these three images, I was able to generate this output with the help of this app. And then you can see I used these two images to generate this app, these two different variations of the creatives. Then by using these two, I can get this output, and similarly with the help of these two images I can generate this output. So this is the app. So this is the designs, the creatives that I'm talking about. With the help of this single app I can generate this type of output. Before jumping to directly to the tutorials, I would like to share with you the designs that I was practicing. These are the different images that I was practicing. For using any app or any design or creating any graphics, you need practice before getting these cool effects. So practice is very important. Always keep in mind. So I was trying different images, different ideas, and then I was able to get, and then I understood what is important. Now how you can use this particular app to get desired results. So few things I noticed that is very important while using this app. So I'll share the name of the app really soon, but before that I want to share with you, practice is very important. Always do practice while using any app. After watching this tutorial, also go and practice this app using various images. So the first thing that the first thing which is important is the practice. Second is important thing is to finding right images. So while using this app, I tried different many different images, but finding right images and using right images, then you will get the result that I was able to generate by using this app. So second important thing is to finding right images and selecting the right images for the designs, the creatives. And third important thing is, which is very important, you need to be very clear about your thought process, your idea, what you want to generate. That is the most important key factor to generate this kind of output. So I'll share the my what was my thought process to generate these images and how I got the ideas. I will share that in between the tutorial. Then only you will understand how you can get the result. But always make sure you need to be very clear in your mind what image you want to generate, what type of creatives you want to generate. That imagination and that thought is need to be very clear in your mind. Use bg remove. So now we will try to recreate these images and I'll show you how I created, and I'll share with you the name of that. So app name is Image Blender. You can see the app name is Image Blender. So if you see, go here in the app section and just search for the Image Blender. and this is the single app that helped me to create this kind of output. So let me show you how I created. Let's start with the first image that I was practicing. This is the simple image. First we will to see the simple effect, and then we will go to the these type of effect that how we can generate. Okay, so while working, so this is the image blender app that I used, but here the important thing is to finding the images and the idea. So my thought process was, before creating this effect, I wanted to show that what is going on human brain. That was the thought. So I am not able to generate exactly what I want to generate, but what's going inside the head of the human, that I want to create with the help of blending images. So I was looking for the images. When you go to the element section and search for the image side facing, and you will find the, from the photo section you will find the images with the side facing, and then I selected the first one. Then for this image I was looking for ancient city. Search for the ancient city, and from here I selected this image, and it is free image that you can use. So now let's blend this and let's get this output. Okay, so first select this image, which area you want to blend, just crop that like this, and now you need to put this image on the top of the image that you want to blend, and crop the area, and crop the area exactly to the your image. Then double click and then adjust the area that you want to blend with your blend with the main image. Okay, so I want this center portion should be visible in the human head or human face. That is the area that I want. So now just click on the canvas, select this image, then go to the app section, and here you will find the image blender, and then click on the image blender app and then blend selected image. Once you click on here, so you will find this window, and here you can see the image is blending from the bottom of the image. So now what you need to do, now here you can see the customization option. So linear, one type of blend is here, and then radial. Then you can adjust the strength of the blending portion, how much strength visibility you want, that you can adjust. So now I want, so now I want on the face of the this person. So what I will do, I will select the radial option, and now here you can see circle and these 2 points. So now I can adjust the length, size of the circle like this, and the portion of the blending area that I can select. So I want this much portion, and I will reduce the size of the circle from here, and you can adjust the strength of the visibility, which area of the area. So I will just reduce like this, and once it's done, it's, if I see it is looking good, then I will click on the save. So once it will be, so once I'll click on the save, so now you can see the image is already blended. This is, these are the two different images that you can see here. So if I click on here, and then I can place this here. So this is the image that I can blend, and I can adjust after using the after using the app. So I can adjust the area and the size of the portion that I want to blend and place. Once it's done, then double click on it and you can make it a group. So if you want to remove the background of the image, then click on the main image. The background is removed, then select both the images and you can make a group, so it will become a one image, and then you can use wherever you want to use. So this is the first thing that I generated using this app, and now you can change the background and you can use in any designs where you want to use this blending image. Then we will see this. So I have seen many images inside the photo library similar to these images, right? So I'll just show, go to the element section and search for human. And if you can see here, similar to this, I saw many images in the library, photo library. So I thought to let's create, and let's see this blending image tool that will help you me, that can help me or not to generate this type of images. So I selected these images. Just scroll and you will find this human image here, from here, and then search for the brain and you will find this image. Now let's blend these two images. So again, process is same. So I will just reduce the size because the head, I want to put this brain inside this head, and I want to blend this brain like here inside the head. So I just reduce the size a little bit so I can find properly. So select the top image, then go to the again app section, image blender, blend selected image, and again radial, select the radial and reduce the strength and the circle size. Like this much portion I want, I can adjust the area that I want visible on the screen or image, and I will do here like this, click save, and then I will adjust exactly here, and I can reduce its size from here like this. Now you can see exactly same like here, and I can adjust like this. So this is the second image that you can generate. Again here thought process was very clear what I want to generate. Images I selected, that is very good for to get this output. So that is what I was talking in the starting of the video, that you need to find images that is suitable to blend, and the thought process what you want to blend, that should be very clear to get the best output using this application. Now let's create these two design styles. Okay. So here I was looking for something horror theme, the horror haunted house or something I should blend with the image. Thought process was the horror theme that I want to create using blend tool. Then I was searching for the theme was a horror theme that I want to generate, and I was looking for the images which is mystery images. So I was searching for the mystery house. You can see here mystery house, and if you go to the photo section you will find this image from here, and the keyword to find this image, two women faces. Just search this and you will find this image here, right here. Then now let's blend this image, how I blended with this. Now let's blend these two images. So let's keep this image on the top that we want to blend with. Select, then go to the app section, and here you can see again the blend image, blend this image. And now let me just go back and duplicate this, and now I can blend this. Now select the radial, reduce the size of the circle, place where you want to blend with, right? Like here you can see where I used this blending image, and you can reduce the strength of it and reduce the circle as well, and you can put like here and hit save. So this is the radial blend you can do with this image. And now let's see with the other blending style, linear. So now I want to blend with the side of this image. So what I did, I can just use blend. I can use the linear blend type here, and I can arrange from the one side of this image. Here you just need to adjust the area that you want to blend with the main image, and you can see the result like this, right? So this is the select and adjust according to your style and the area you want to blend with, and hit save. So now you can see these two designs and output that you can generate. Like this one corner of this image is blended, and then center of this image you can blend with. So now let's create this type of blending image. So you need these three images. I'll just duplicate this page. Okay. So you just need these three images to create this effect. So let's delete this, and I will do it from the scratch. Before jumping into the straight to the tutorial, I would like to share how I got the idea of creating this poster. I was looking for the horror theme for this image as well. So on Google I searched horror movie title for creating, and then I saw this Dracula poster right here. Dracula movie poster, I got this idea. So I thought to let's blend with two cities and use superhero here. So from the Dracula movie poster, I got the idea, and I was searching for the images. First is dark city. If you search dark city, then you will find this image right here in the photo section. For this image, you can search here dark landscape birds. That I got idea from the poster, and from here you can see this. So size and the portion that you want to blend, that is very important here. So I want to blend from the left corner, and right corner should be visible to the center of the page, and then I want to blend this bird image right bottom corner of the page. Then select your image, then go to the app section, and use blend imager, select, and now here we want to use linear blend type, and I want this portion should be visible. So what I will do, I'll select this point and I'll just rotate like here, from here, and this portion I will use like here, right up to here I can use, and now I can adjust the strength. So this this much portion is good enough for this image. I can also adjust these corners and the area that I want to visible here. So now you can see the image blending tool is helping me to blend from the one corner is perfectly fine. Then I can adjust the strength and everything like here up to this is good enough for this image, and then I'll hit the save button. Once it's done, so let's make this image to the behind of this hero image, right? Then now increase the size of this image. So now I want to blend from this area, and this is entirely visible. Go app section and use image blender. Now just arrange these points that you want to blend with, like this corners to this, right? And then you can adjust the strength like this, and click on hit save, and increase the size, adjust the size, and place behind to everything. Now you can see the blend. This is blended really cool. Now here you can see the entire image, right? It is automatically going to be used. So again here you might see some colors, because we need to adjust this image position to back, adjust this image properly. And here we go. This is how you can use this blending tool. And for this I just used animations to make it more interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I am completely in love with this tool and I hope you will practice this and you will create amazing posters and creatives for your projects. So if you like this tutorial, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Keep creating until next time.